Bar exam tips from my office mates, part 2.
Three things. So prepare and plan ahead. Second, pace yourself. And then third, above all, prayers.
Follow a strict schedule. Study when you must. Tapos pag pagod ka na, rest ka lang. Tsaka Japan, just always pray at night.
Tapusin niyo yung syllabus in your own pace. Pero dapat matapos niyo siya.
As a bar coach for 2 years, ang usual na napapansin ko, yung problem sa issue spotting. Ang suggestion ko para ma-practice natin yung issue spotting skills natin is to answer 2 to 3 questions before you sleep. Bar questions. So that matansya natin kung tama ba yung issue na natatakil natin.
First, make time na mag-rest ka because rest is important. It is conducive for your studying na dapat to retain yung mga binasa mo. Number 2, huwag kayo magpapadaan sa pressure. Although sobrang pressure ng bar, ganyan. Kasi yung pressure is nakakadagdag yan ng kaba, nakakadagdag yan ng ways na parang hindi mo ma-absorb yung nakaral mo. And third is, make sure na umabot ka ng second rating. Ewan ko, gumana yun sa akin. Ng second rating.